Alright, so we did 3. So they're pretty good. Grooves and everything showing up. So let's go to 4, which I would think would be the right frame. And it is. Right frame. Let's do it. Actually, it's not. Take the gloves off. Better. Feel it. These. Alright, so let's hit it again with some heat. Let's go up front and go around. Yeah, so when you put the heat on, when you hit it with the sponge, you can kind of get your recesses and your grooves and everything to kind of show up. So that's a great idea to use that. Get that sponge, you're not pushing down on it with your hand. It kind of helps it move, kind of helps you stretch it out. So like right in here, when your thumb goes, hit that with your heat, press in on it, and hit this grip, so I can make sure I'm getting everything in there. Yeah, that's pretty good. It doesn't take a whole lot of heat. Sponge. All right, so now we got the rear. We got both sides on there, so looking pretty decent so far. Not bad, if I say so myself. And I will say so myself since it's It's my first time doing it. This is great. The 19 skin. This is great. If you haven't done it before, great way to start doing it. So, all right. So here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So, if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.